Here we are at Quantico Marine Corps Base, where DITRA is conducting its very first Operational Readiness Validation. This 5-day training event is conducted by the Contingency Operations Department, responsible for the Nimble Elder program.
The Operational Readiness Validation is an exercise put on to test the individuals of our TSGs on their ability to accompany ground forces. The Operational Readiness Validation starts with our physical assessments and our technical assessments. That really shows us how capable each of our individual team members are. It then transitions to marksmanship skills in the CBRN environment, as well as rifle and pistol qualifications. Once we're complete with that, we moved on to our mission planning exercises. The intent of our mission planning is to ensure that our TSG members have an active role in the planning and execution of these operations.
During the ORV, we'll be testing our operators on their knowledge and skill level on handling our different presumptive and field identification tools used in identifying chemical and biological agents. Some of these tools are unique to our TSGs, and they'll be utilizing them when they go on different laboratory target setups later this week.
Over the course of 3 days, the TSG members will execute 6 missions with the ground force. They'll put in an active role during CBRN search and counter weapons of mass destruction operations. Once the tactical assault forces clear the objectives, the TSGs move in and conduct their various mission requirements. They're able to locate and identify materials of concern and use their RN and ChemBio tools to assess what those hazards are. Once they are complete, they'll be put on a roster of individuals that we will have available to accompany our ground forces.
We conducted a series of drills to assess how well our technical support group team members perform when operating with Special Operation Forces. In order to do this, we went ahead and conducted a number of drills to test their physical abilities, test their mission planning skill sets, and ensure that they're able to enable Special Operation Forces in a CBRN environment, conducting rad nuke, chemical, and biological drill sets.
A small, select group of individuals will conduct this training on an annual basis in order to validate the skills required to accompany units of action as they conduct CBRN missions in support of the combatant commands.